Hi, it's Dan. Valid question that many customers ask, or probably just assume it's not even a question, is do window cleaners have to have insurance? Well, the answer to that, simple sort of, is maybe. The bigger question would be, should window cleaners carry liability insurance? In some states and some countries, it's a law. You can't legally go conduct your business without that type of insurance. Pennsylvania, you don't have to, but should you? That's the better question. I believe strongly you should. It goes a little deeper than that, though. Not all general liability insurance is the same, and you can't always assume that it's going to cover certain damages that you assume it would. So there's a little more to it. I go further into that in one of my blog posts. If you go to danwagnerwindowcleaning.com and to my blog section, do window cleaners need to have insurance? There's a lot more to it, but I firmly believe it's important. It's a sign of professionality, and when subcontractors get involved, that's even another subject that goes a little deeper. Feel free to read on that, and always thank you for your interest. You'll like what you see. Have a good day.